On this edition of Miss Sonko's internet wasn't working, so she had to make a video. We're gonna look at used cars. Yay. Now you can go to any used car website you want, but my suggestion would be to go to cargurus.com. What I'll do is I'll put in for used, the make. I want a Honda Civic, zip code 78209 or whatever you want it to be. Search. Look, I have some Hondas, yay. Now what's nice about this website is I tell you, you have to stay between $8,000 and $12,000 for this Honda. So I can go over here to the price and adjust it to what I want it to be. So now all of these cars qualify. And I'm lazy and I'm gonna go with the top one. So what I'm gonna do, looking at this car, I see that the price is $10,999. It is a 2009, and it has a whole mess of miles. And I just put it in like that. Yay, good job, Miss Sonko. You're so good at this. Yay. Now what I'm gonna do, now that I've found that Honda, is I'm gonna go to another website, which is fueleconomy.gov. So I'll type in www.fueleconomy.gov. Cold weather can lower your fuel economy. We don't have to worry about that. We're gonna find a car. Oops. And I'm gonna search by class. So I need a 2009, by model class. 2009 Honda Civic. And go. So according to this, and I'm going to use the top car. I'm going to use the top car. 26 city, 34 highway. So I fill that in. 26 city, 34 highway. And then we'll do the fuel economy. So I will say 7,000 city divided by 26. Highway is 3,000 divided by 34. So in other words, I use 269 gallons in the city, and I use 88 gallons on the highway. Add those together, and I use a total of 357 gallons in a year. Now, the current price of gas is on average $3.25. So I take 357 times $3.25, and I see that I will spend $1,160.25 a year. If I divide that by 12, I see that that is $96.69 per month. Yay. So I can write that over here. Yay, I did it. I am the greatest. Good job, Miss Sonko. Now I'm going to go to a new website. I'm going to go to calculator.net. Pretty awesome. And I'm going to go to the auto loan calculator. Pretty awesome. And I'm going to fill in my values for this car. Now the actual price of the car was $10,999. I want it for a 48-month term, 4.5% APR. I'm going to try it first with no down payment, no trade-in, and I'm going to say because this is Texas, my sales tax is 8%. $300 title and registration fee because you got to buy it from somebody else and because Texas likes to make money. And I calculate. That means my monthly payment is $250.82. Fascinating. And just like before, to find my total cost of the car, my final cost, I'm going to do $250.82 times the 48 months, and I find I spend $12,039.36 on this car. That means my price difference is $1,040. Do you know how hard it is to like write and look at your phone at the same time? This is really weird. Okay, I got it. Did it. I did it. Good job. Okay. So my price difference is $1,040.36. Once again, the reason why the price difference here though is because my interest rate is higher. You'll remember that with the Focus it was only 1.9%. This is 4.5%. Much higher. So now you can do the rest on your own because I have to go do lunch duty and I hear 7th graders yelling. Okay, bye-bye.